Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota CHR brake pads. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a 13mm socket, a 21mm socket or tire iron, and a socket wrench. Also, have a large C-clamp, pliers, a flathead screwdriver, and brake cleaner spray ready. Most importantly, ensure you have a safety jack stands, and a torque wrench for precise tightening. Having these items prepared makes the job much smoother. Now, let's prepare your vehicle safely. Always park your car on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake. Before lifting, use your 21mm socket or tire iron to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you plan to remove. Then, safely lift the vehicle with a jack and place sturdy jack stands under the designated support points. Once secure, fully remove the lug nuts and carefully take off the wheel, placing it out of your way. With the wheel off, we can access the brake components. First, locate the two 13mm caliper guide pin bolts. Use your pliers to hold the square pin while loosening these bolts. Once removed, carefully slide the caliper off the rotor. Do not let it hang by the brake line. Secure it with a hook or wire. Next, remove the old brake pads and the metal retaining clips. Finally, use a large C-clamp to slowly push the caliper piston back into its housing. It is time to install your new brake pads. Begin by placing the new retaining clips onto the caliper bracket. Then, carefully slide the new brake pads into position. Reinstall the caliper, ensuring it sits correctly, and tighten the two caliper guide pin bolts to 25 foot-pounds. Spray the rotor with brake cleaner to remove any oils. Reinstall the wheel, hand tightening the lug nuts. Finally, lower the vehicle and torque the lug nuts to 76 foot-pounds in a star pattern for safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.